So we're about to cover two things. Number one, how this is gonna help you, and number two, why this is crucial and very important at this moment of history. So when we first meet the majority of our clients, they're in an office at a desk working on a million projects with distractions pulling them in every different direction, whether it's an email or a text or a phone call or a person. Everyone's demanding the absolute best from you. They're feeling the crunch of time, and it always feels like there's so much to do but not enough time to ever get it done. This leaves a lot of our clients feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, frustrated, and feeling as if they're nowhere close to where they actually want to be at this very moment of their life. They generally start feeling frustrated, seeing everyone else accomplish their dreams, yet not knowing how they're going to get there themselves. This lands up leaving you with an internal feeling like you're jamming on the gas, but you're running out of fuel and you don't know where to go to get that extra energy needed to make it through the next day, to make it through the next project, and to really give your all and your best every single day. The wild part is, no matter what you do, you always land up in the same position, stressed, overwhelmed, frustrated, not really knowing what to do next. So how does all this affect your life, mind, and body? Let's find out. If you're sitting at your desk for long periods of time all day, you may experience some of the following side effects: weight gain, organ damage, muscle degeneration, even back and neck pain, or cognitive function and performance decline. Stuff like brain fog or even memory loss. If you avoid your workout and constantly eat junk food to fill the emotional void, you'll probably experience some of these side effects: heart disease, organ failure, weight gain, loss of confidence, type 2 diabetes, bone and joint pain, burnout, lower energy, and even a possible shorter lifespan. To go along with all this, if you're under a lot of stress at home and at the office, you may experience some of the following side effects. Depression. Did you know that 1 in 10 people here in America are literally on antidepressant medication? Peer groups falling apart, social groups falling apart, divorce, and the inability to keep your intimate relationships together. Not only all that, but again, you're at risk for early mental, emotional, and even physical death. So in the fast-moving environment of the day, with teachers, investors, coworkers, employees, team members demanding the absolute best from us at every moment of the day, we need to do everything possible to maximize our personal and professional performance. After coaching and consulting entrepreneurs, executives, and business owners for the past 14 years, I'm so excited to share with you exactly what it takes to become the happiest, healthiest, strongest, and most fulfilled version of yourself, and how to avoid all the negative side effects we just talked about.